In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run code in Notion. Welcome back, and thank you for joining me. In this tutorial, I will guide you through a simple and practical way to display and manage code directly inside Notion. Whether you want to organize programming notes, document your projects, or collaborate with teammates, this tutorial will show you how to present your code neatly, choose the right formatting, and build technical documentation efficiently, all within the sleek Notion workspace. The first thing to know is that Notion has a built-in feature called the code block. You don't need any plugins or complicated setup. It works right out of the box. To create one, type /code anywhere on your Notion page. This will bring up the code block option. Click on it, and a dedicated space for your code will appear instantly. Notion also provides a convenient drop-down menu within the code block, allowing you to select the programming language your code is written in. Whether it's Python, JavaScript, HTML, SQL, or many other languages, choosing the correct language enables Notion to highlight the syntax automatically. This makes your code easier to read, understand, and share. For instance, Python keywords, variables, and functions will appear in different colors, just like in a proper integrated development environment. This kind of formatting helps prevent errors and keeps your code clear, especially when revisiting notes or sharing with teammates. Let's look at a quick JavaScript example. Function greet user, name, just return, hello, plus name plus, exclamation mark, welcome to Notion. Const message equals greet user. User, console.log, message. As you can see, the code stands out nicely in your document. It's easy on the eyes and simple to locate later. Code blocks in Notion are perfect for short scripts, class templates, or debugging notes. You can also use them to guide your team through tricky logic or document key parts of a project alongside other notes and tasks. It's important to remember that the code in Notion is static. Notion does not execute the code, so you'll still need to run it in your preferred IDE or code editor to see actual results. Think of these blocks like display cases for your code. They present your snippets neatly while keeping everything organized. This feature is especially useful for note-taking, study guides, and technical documentation. It allows you to include reference code alongside explanations, diagrams, and checklists. It's also ideal for sharing snippets during team meetings or preparing presentations. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.